Today you have chosen to release butterflies, both in celebration of your love for each other, but also to celebrate, honor, and remember your mom, who is such a huge part of your life. Although you can't see her here today, she is with you all in spirit. And perhaps for today, her angel wings look more like the wings of a butterfly. Butterflies are often remembered for their gentleness, their color, and the joy that they bring.
I wanna know how the wind travels across the sea, and where do the earth and the heaven.
I hear a thumping. I hear a thumping. Who would that be? Look at that girl.
Don't you start crying on me now.
Get out of it. Beautiful.
You all right?
Nope. I'll be good. I'll be good. It might take. You're gonna wake up all make my makeup come on.
You're gonna make my makeup come off. Look, it's all
cry,
sparkly.
Don't cry. Just smile and look pretty now.
I know.
We can do this. We can do this.
I know.
I met Lance a number of years ago from some mutual friends with a passion for big, loud trucks, and as our friendship evolved, it became so much more than that. Fast forward a year or two, and this new, beautiful face comes into the picture. Anyway, I'm over at Lance's house, and he goes, "Hey, man, I met this girl. I'm kind of interested in her." I said, "Oh yeah? Pull out Facebook real quick. Let's take a look at that." Being that we live in the age of technology, it wasn't 30 seconds and I knew this girl's name, what color hair she had, what she liked, and what she didn't like. I said, "All right, let's go get her."
We lie awake at night and watch movie stars. Now I know what they're shining for. My dear, for you, oh, I'd do anything.
I knew from the first time we met that you were the perfect woman for me and my forever. The past few months have had a lot of ups and downs that have shown me time and time again that we can tackle and overcome anything together. You are truly the most beautiful person inside and out. This day and every day after this, I promise to you to be true in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, and to love and honor you for all the days of my life.
One of the last things I heard my mom said when she looked at you, she saw how much you loved me and how good you are for me. Today I know she is up there cheering us on. I hope you always remember that you are and always will be the best my person forever and always. Now let's get this damn thing and get married.
Remember to just send it. You may kiss your bride. Love is being understanding, even though it may feel like he loves his truck more than he loves you. Love is trusting the love you have for each other. Lance, even though it may seem like she prefers Waylon's cuddles and kisses more than yours.
That's
But
true.
as they say, it's not cheating if it's your dog, right?
Light breaking through the eastern hills, just you and me, while the earth stands still. Dashboard dreams of what could be in the great unknown. We have no map, we got no plans, just open
finally broke down and told me about Lance, I was a little skeptical. She was saying how great of a guy he was, how sweet and compassionate he was, and to me, he seemed a little too perfect. I thought she was just blinded by love, but little did I know she was right. When I first met Lance, I pounded him with stupid friend questions, like, don't break my friend's heart, I might have to hurt you, I'll key your truck, you know.
We got the whole world at our feet. We take our time. Yeah, we'll be who we wanna be. Under this sky, I'm so alive when you're with me. This open door, this empty page for the heart set free.
So I hope that from today forward, whenever you see a butterfly, you smile. I hope that you see its wings and see its strength, because that butterfly was once a caterpillar. I hope that you see the joy the butterflies bring as they gently fly through the air. And most importantly, I hope these butterflies remind you that she is with you. She's with all of you, no matter where you are.
I can honestly say some of the best times in my life have been with these two. Whenever the three of us are together, you can bet that something will happen that will stick with you for years to come. Oh, and now that you're crying, Lance did put in a little thing here that he wanted me to say. Cassie, he spent like $2,000 on razor parts yesterday, so you can have water and crackers on the honeymoon.
Say